Nish. I'm from India. I have been living in Australia for the last 10 years. I have been working there as Australian registered nurse in one of the hospitals. So I do have experience of 9 years. So if you ask me, beside nursing practice, what I really like to do, I love teaching nursing students because it gives me self-satisfaction that I'm making difference in someone's life, and it makes me feel happy that I'm returning back to this profession by guiding the students how to migrate to foreign countries and settle down there as registered nurses. But to settle down there as registered nurses, you need to clear one of the exams, which is called NCLEX exam. So I'm very privileged and happy to announce that I have started my career as NCLEX trainer in Sunshine Achievers Tech this year, where we give online classes. So I welcome you all in our online classes, and together we will make this journey beautiful. So let's join these classes, and you don't have to be worried. We will be with you throughout this journey, and I make sure that I tailor my nursing classes as per your individual need, and we will take best out of these nursing classes to crack this exam. So yes, we are here to welcome you with open arms, and come and join us. Thank you. Bye for now.